The African tree squirrel, a leopard's nemesis. Their persistent calls can be heard from 500 feet away. On hearing a warning, the family members rush together and mob the hunter, as the squirrels make up less than 0.5% of a leopard's diet. Their warning calls not only alert the neighbors, they let the predator know they've been spotted and should move on. His tail lifted, the leopard signals he's given up. A cat that's pound for pound the strongest predator in Africa, driven away by the simple squeak of a squirrel.